How to properly use OneShots with EZdrummer or Superior Drummer. Right-click the drum you want a sample for or simply drag a sample onto it. Import audio file. I'm using a sample from our OneShots pack for this. Select Add Stack if you want it to fire on the snare hits, snare and snare center. Import. Right-click the new pad and select Route Instrument Microphones. Under Mixer Channel, select Create New Channel. And I will see it on your mixer. You can rename it. Sounds like shit, right? What you need to do is activate the velocity curve and the velocity gate on the sample. I use a snare crescendo to set these settings. Let's start with the velocity curve and drag this. And then use the velocity gate to find where you want the sample to start firing. And now without it, and with. Now let's hear it in a drum groove. And now let's mute the sample and hear the same groove again. So that's it. Good mixing.